Okay, this is a laptop. I'm coming to fix the inches. As you can see, the inch already damaged. So when the laptop cannot open properly. Okay, see, I can see this side already damaged. This side is okay. So the first thing you have to take out all the screw back of this laptop. Many screw. Make sure you take out all the screw. Because you need to open the laptop full. Then you remove these inches. Then you fix it from inside the screen. So you have to open the laptop and disconnect the screen from the keyboard side. Okay. So you take out all the screw. Okay, these two screw at the back here, you don't need to remove it full, just lose it and leave it there because there is a clip under it. So just open it and leave it there. Okay, you don't need to remove it full, just open it like this and leave it because the clip is under. The other ones, all you can remove it full if you want. Okay, just take them full. Make sure you take out all the screw. After you take out all the screw, then you open the cover. Just remove the back cover. Just the cover, the clip up like this. All clip, just force trace it up. Okay, take out the clip. Okay. Now the first thing you have to disconnect the battery. Remove the battery terminal. Okay, so the laptop will not shut. Now you need to open the inches, the 2 inches, or you have to remove them to disconnect the LCD from the keyboard side. Okay, remove these two screws here. Okay, these two screws are different, big screw. So make sure you know where to put them back. It's different with the outside screw. Okay, this is the breaking, this is the damaged side. So you open the inches. Take out all the screw. Okay, when you take out the screw, this one will come out. Remove it, put it one side because you are going to fix this is the problem one. Okay, put it one side. Okay, now you disconnect the LCD cable, remove it, and take out the Wi-Fi cable. So remove the Wi-Fi card. Okay, put this on one side. Then you remove the Wi-Fi cable, this one, because this one goes to the LCD side. So you have to remove it if you want to separate the LCD from the keyboard. Okay, just remove it. Remove also the clip side. Okay, after you remove it like this, you do like you open the laptop a bit. Okay, then this inch should come up. Let's just open it like this. Then you separate this one, put this one side. Okay, the problem is from this side. Okay, so now you need to raise the screen up a bit from this side. Be careful you don't break the screen. Okay, you just do it slowly, just to open it a bit here, so you don't damage anything. Just do it slowly like this. Okay, just open the cover small a bit so you can have access to fix the inches from inside here. Okay, just a bit like this. Open it slowly. Okay, if you want, you can even leave it like this halfway, because the main important thing is this side you have to fix, not this side. This side is okay, so you can open it halfway like this to put the glue, because you need to use glue from this side. Okay, so that you can fix it perfectly. Okay, make sure everything is aligned very nice. Okay, so you can leave it halfway like this. Also, if you want, you can take it full, but for me, I'll leave it halfway like this, then I fix the inches and put the glue, so you guys will see. Okay, now I need to mix the glue. Okay, you can use different type of glue, but make sure you use the good one. Me, I'm using this one. Okay, so you just mix the two together. Just like this. Okay, then you mix it together properly. Make sure you mix properly, very well. Okay, mix it very well. If you don't mix it well, the inches will come out very fast. You have to mix it properly. Okay, and you just put a little bit one inside there where the screw also supposed to be. Just take it a bit like this. Just put it inside. Just put all over the screw side where you know the screw is supposed to be. Make sure you put it properly inside there. Okay. Put it inside very well. Okay. Now you just put the inches inside there very straight. Straight like this. Then you fix the one screw. The 1 inches you already fixed. So you just hold this one like this. If this one is hard for you, you can take out, but be careful you don't break the screen, okay? Then you just put the one screw. This one screw will make it be straight there. Okay. Then make sure you put the connector very nice like this. Okay. Then you put a bit glue also inside on top the inches. Okay, just put a bit glue on top the inches also for the rubber. Okay, then you just put the make sure you connect this one go inside like this. Okay, you don't leave it, you just put it there. You find something to hold it a bit so that the thing will become dry there. Just close it like this. Make sure you fix the very nice. Okay, then you have something like this, a clip. This one to hold it until it get dry. You just put it like this, just for 30 minutes. Okay, 30 to 40 minutes so the glue become dry before you close it. Okay, you just leave it like this for 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, now it's dry. As you can see, already dry, very nice. So now it's time to close everything back. You fix back this cover. Just clip it inside, just like this. Okay. Now you fix back the keyboard side. Just slide it inside like this, side, like this. Close the inches. Close this one also. Okay. And now you replace all the screw back you take out from them. This one screw is big, as you can see. Replace them back all. This one also. Replace all the screw we take out back from the inches. This side. Okay. Fix back the LCD connector. Make sure it fits very nice, very straight, and close it. Okay. Fix back the network cable. Make sure you pass it back everywhere you take it. You can see the inch, the place where you take it. Just see, just pass everything back. Okay. You can see the black for the black here. Fix it very nice. Fix the white for the white. Okay. Put back the screw you take out with the cover. Okay. After I fix everything nice, then you fix back the battery. Make sure you fix the battery very nice, very straight. This. Okay. Put back the cover. close it very nice. Clip all the clip. Now start replacing the screw. So you place all the screw back you take out. Don't leave any screw. So you place all the screw, okay? Place everything back. After you place all the screw, then you open the laptop. As you can see, now I can open very nice. Everything is working very nice, which is good. Open very nice on the laptop. Everything is working nicely. Open very well, good. Okay, which is good. See, laptop is on. That means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.